Go.
Do you think that the circumstances in your life are beyond your control? Do you think you have no power over the sickness that might be in your life, over the bad situations, the difficult conflicts that might be going on in your family? Or maybe you're in a bad financial spot and you really think that there's nothing you can do about it. Well, I want you to know today that you have the exact same authority as Jesus has. So you have authority over those situations. You might be thinking too, well, that sounds a little bit crazy, a little bit outlandish, questionable even. Is this really true, or could it really be true? And I want you to know today that it is true. Jesus tells us that he has given us the exact same authority that he has. In Matthew 28, he tells us how he has been given all authority. So he's been given all power to do whatever God has told him to do. And then in Luke 10, he goes on to say that he gives us the authority to trample on serpents and scorpions and over all the power of the enemy. So he gets this authority from God, and then he delegates it to us because he trusts us enough to use that authority responsibly. There's a quote that comes from Spider-Man, and it's really attributed to Socrates, but it says, "With great power comes great responsibility." So he trusts us enough to use that power and authority he's given us responsibly. And this reminds me of a story in the Bible where Joseph has to go and help Pharaoh because Pharaoh's in a tough spot. There's going to be a famine in Egypt, and he needs somebody who can come and figure out how they're going to make everything work. Because God's already warned him that 7 good years are coming, 7 bad years are coming after that, and he wants someone to be able to take care of everyone in Egypt when those bad years come. So he puts Joseph in charge, and he also gives him a signet ring. Now when he gives him that ring, it means that he has the exact same power and authority as as Pharaoh. So it's just like Pharaoh speaking when Joseph speaks. If Joseph tells someone to go and gather grain, or that they can have grain, it's just like Pharaoh said to go and gather grain, or they can have grain. So then people are going to respond to that, and they're going to do exactly what he said because he has the same power, the same authority as Pharaoh. Now, it's also just like marriage. When you're married to someone who is the one who works outside of the home, let's say that you're a wife and your husband goes off, he goes to work every day, he brings home the bacon, and he is off on a business trip. Now when you're sitting at home and they have a bill sent to you, and let's say it's a light bill or a water bill, and your husband's off on business, or he's off, visiting his family or wherever, he's not there to write that check and pay that bill, you're not just going to sit there in the dark. You're not just going to sit there with no water. You're going to make sure the bill gets paid. You have access to the accounts just like he does because you two are seen as one. So you're going to use that authority to write that check, maybe even sign his name, and make sure that your house is taken care of. And it's the same way with Jesus. He doesn't want us to just sit around and wait for him to do something. He wants us to act on that authority that he's given to us because we do have the exact same authority, the exact same power as Jesus, and he trusts us to use it responsibly. And we should be thankful and know how much we're loved because we have that trust from him. Now, it's kind of like a kid. You can tell a kid to do something. You can give them the authority to go down to the store with your money and buy you something. Now, if they're not trustworthy, you're not going to give them money to go down to the store and buy you something and take care of you and your family. But if you know you can trust them, you're going to give them that authority to speak in your name and to do things on your behalf. And it's just the same way with us and Jesus. He gives us that authority to do things in his name. When we speak, it's like he's speaking. So he commanded things and it happened. When he cast out demons, they left. When he cast out sickness, it left. So we have the exact same ability to do that. We just have to believe it. And so I want you to remember today that you have the exact same authority as Jesus.